this is Rose. Welcome back to day 4 of 21 Days to Good Skin with me. Today is Janta Curfew and I hope that you all are playing your role, playing your part. And today at 5 o'clock, please come out of your balconies and your gates and let's appreciate the doctors and the nurses who are working for us in such a risky situation. So I think that is the least we guys can do. Moving ahead, today's skin issue that we're going to deal with is suntan. It is so common, so common. Each one of us face it. And suntan is nothing but when we're exposed to the sun, we're exposed to the UV rays, our skin color tends to get darkened or tanned. So today we're going to be dealing with that, and the main ingredient is potato. Yes guys, it's very simple and it is very effective. It's tried and tested, so let's come to my kitchen and we'll see how it works. So this is what we got once we grate the potato. Now we've added 2 spoons of rose water as well. Now if your skin is oily, you can add lemon. If your skin is dry, you can add honey. My skin is oily, so I will add lemon. You can do as per your skin type. Also, if you can also skip these steps at all, honey and lemon. But if you wish to, you can add them as well. So it's going to be a little clumsy when you put this up, so be careful of that. Keep it for 15 minutes and then I will see you later. I rinsed this thing off guys. The good old fat potato was on my face. It's a really new and unique ingredient and it works really well. So you get your bleaches done at salons outside. Potato has natural bleaching agent. It's a natural bleaching agent, which is why it works for your suntan and your face will look a little brighter instantly. So yeah, it was a really fun experience working with this potato. I accidentally made a lot of it. So please share this video with your friends and your family. Ask your siblings to do this challenge. It's really good for your skin guys. And don't forget about the Janta Curfew. I will see you tomorrow, day 5. See you there.